Before the first steam rises, something special is created here. Sparks fly. Metal is bent, shaped, welded. Every rivet, every seam tells a story of true craftsmanship. Frame, boiler, perfected, step by step, individually customizable in color and finish. This is not just a locomotive, it is a masterpiece. We handle quality control at our suppliers, take care of TÜV approvals, and provide professional training. There are dreams you don't just see, but bring to life. And this is where that dream begins. A 2 inches foot steam locomotive. Everything about this machine is real. Real heat, real power. And the crucial moment, you ignite the fire. You feel the locomotive begin to breathe. Pressure rises. Suddenly, the moment belongs entirely to you. As the locomotive comes to life, a quiet moment unfolds, where others sense that something special is happening here. When you open the regulator and the machine pulls away, you understand why it was created: for passion, for adventure. This is not a model railway. This is engineering artistry that places you right at the heart of the experience. Fulfill your dream. MedioRail. Railways in another dimension. Check our website at MedioRail.com